did your marriage end? My husband always told me he'd protect me no matter what. So when we were traveling through South Africa and heard that window smash, I looked to him to keep me safe. It was 2 a.m. and we could hear the voices of multiple people entering the house we were renting. We both knew exactly what was going on, and as it was clear we were being robbed, we were terrified. Luckily, we were armed, and as my husband jumped out of bed, I fully believed he'd do anything to protect me. However, what followed made me see him for who he truly was. This coward took our only firearm and ran out into the hallway. I heard a bang, but what at the time I hoped was him fighting the intruder off turned out to be him slamming the bathroom door shut, locking himself inside. I was now left in our bedroom unarmed, as one of the men made his way upstairs. I started to panic, but from what little I could understand, he told me not to move and I wouldn't be harmed. I stood in the corner for 10 excruciating minutes as they took everything of value, while also trying to get into the bathroom my husband was cowering in. My saviors ended up being the couple in the neighboring house, as they had seen what was happening and called the police. And as soon as we heard the sirens, all 4 of the men ran out. When I finally saw my husband, I experienced a rage I've never felt before. The next morning, I booked a one-way ticket home and immediately filed for divorce.